Fuel filter in your automobile filters the fuel before being passed into the fuel injection system. It helps the system stay clean and eliminate the chances of blocks caused by impurities. Some symptoms when the fuel filter is bad or needs a replacement are: reduced power from your motor, especially when under load. Suppose you drive up a hill and when you try to accelerate, your vehicle may hesitate to accelerate. This happens when the filter restricts the fuel flow and the feed pump cannot make proper pressure at the injectors, which results in low volume of fuel injected. You may also see a variation in fuel economy as the combustion goes lean with lower volume of fuel which is being injected. The computer forces more fuel to be injected via injectors. This causes an altered fuel consumption rate. Second symptom when the fuel filter is too bad is trouble to start and rough idling. This happens when the filter is too bad and the fuel pump cannot make the lowest fuel pressure in the fuel system. You may find your motor taking too much time to fire up, and even if it did, can see the motor struggling to idle. Sometimes the engine may shut off. Third symptom with a bad fuel filter is failure of fuel pumps. Fuel pumps are designed to work for long life, and if you experience pump failures regularly or in short time periods, there might be an electrical error, but a bad fuel filter can also cause the same. Any increased restriction in the fuel line can make the fuel pump work harder. This can cause the fuel pump to overheat and eventually fail. The last symptom would be a check engine light. Modern cars have fuel pressure sensors to monitor the fuel pressure parameters. If the ECM detects a restriction or low pressure in the fuel line, triggers a check engine light. A bad fuel pressure regulator can also cause low fuel pressure symptoms. Be sure to consult a mechanic and diagnose the problem properly.